Hello and welcome to PolyInnovator. Whenever you are watching my content, I want to make it as easy as possible for any of you to come to my platforms. When you come to this page, you'll be able to see all the video websites that I'm on, as well as all the streaming sites that I'll be on eventually down the line. Obviously, one of the main platforms at this particular point is YouTube. So when you come to YouTube, I want to have the channel trailer that you're watching right now, right here, giving you the ability to quickly get into this ecosystem, so to speak. And then you have certain playlists down here which are based more off of the content that I create. So considering the main endeavor currently for PolyInnovator is the modular degree, the first playlist is going to be education innovation. What you see here is either going to be the courses information or videos or just free information on self-education as a whole, as well as unique videos that I think would fit overall in that playlist. Coming down here is exercise innovation, or as what I call polymath innovation. So taking a more dynamic approach, you'll be able to see interesting videos like you already see here, as well as videos of my own creation. And then finally down below, technology innovation, which I think will take a little bit longer to fill in because it's going to be a lot more dynamic and sparse on my end, but it's also going to be a lot of external videos going into there. So it's not just my content you'll see a lot of really awesome videos from all over. As well as the other platform that I'm going to be mainly focusing on is DTube. At this particular point, there's not much on this particular page. I will be filling it in and editing it very soon and giving you way more content on that channel as well. I honestly do see DTube as a very good alternative to YouTube down the line. I want to be able to push a lot on there. In fact, right after this, I'm going to be going there. One thing I will note is that due to the way the usernames work there, instead of being PolyInnovator like all my other channels, it would be PolyInnovator71. That way you can find it a little bit easier. Other than that, thank you and welcome to PolyInnovator.